This video is about removing the browser hijacker, which is called SearchTab Default Search. The website related to this hijacker is Searchtab.xyz. Our malware researchers have discovered the SearchTab Default Search browser extension while examining questionable websites that use advertising networks. It was found out that this app promotes Searchtab.xyz, which is a fake search engine. It changes the majority of browser settings. Therefore, it is pretty correct to classify it as a browser hijacker. We found out that SearchTab Default Search hijacks a web browser by changing the default search engine, homepage, and new tab page to Searchtab.xyz. We tested Searchtab.xyz and discovered that it shows results generated by Bing. It redirects to bing.com, so whenever you submit some search queries, you may get the results by bing.com. Sometimes the results would be delivered by some other fake search engine that has not been chosen by you initially. Fake search engines can promote untrustworthy websites and show results generated by dubious search engines. Therefore, it is highly recommended not to trust fake search engines or use browser hijackers. So if you have discovered that SearchTab Default Search has hijacked your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and delete any third-party extensions that were mistakenly installed. To make sure that the system is free of other concealed threats, I do recommend researching it with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and start carefully researching your system with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.